So moving on to contingency theory of leadership, following on from trait theory then, the whole idea here is that your leadership style should change according to the situation that you find yourself in. Okay, and so in order to do this, you're going to need to be liked and respected. If you're going to change your style according to the situation, people really need to like and respect you as you change. What you're asking people to do, if I can spell it there, the task, what you're asking people to do, that needs to be clear and well structured if this is going to work, because you're in this process of changing all the time from scenario to scenario. So therefore make sure that people don't get lost and that you always give clear and well structured comments, and you also always need to have power in order to be respected as you wish. The problems with this though is it definitely, some cultures accept it more than others. Some cultures think, no, you should only be one certain style and that's it. Others, the gender issues as well, that certain genders, or not certain genders, but it would all depend. If you're moving from one scenario to the other, then different genders may do well in one scenario than they would in the other, and the way they change would be different as well. But the main issue is, can you maintain respect if continually changing? Isn't it best to at least let people know where they stand with you all the time? So that's the problem that we have with contingency.